Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorials. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a beautiful backhand mehendi design. First of all, draw a small flower on the back side of your hand. Now draw two another flowers on right and left side from the center of the main flower. Draw 3 big petals and fill the petals with mehendi. Follow the same pattern and draw 3 flowers and then big 3 petals and fill them with mehendi. Once again, we will repeat the same process. Draw the flower and then 3 petals. Now make another 2 petals on the middle finger and fill it with mehendi. Draw the same design on the index finger by making big petals and fill it with mehendi. fill the tip of the index finger and the middle finger. So here we have our very beautiful backhand mehendi design is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.